Hello guys, today I will show you to uh how to get a skin in Minecraft. So you can get a skin just like the one I have right now. Uh I also have this, where if I turn the hat off, I have a hood. So yeah, if you guys want this skin, I'm just gonna turn it back real quick. If you guys want this skin, I will link it in the description. Uh, all the links to these websites that I am showing are in the description. So just if you feel lazy and you don't want to type anything in, I put all the links in the description, so just go check those out. So, first, what you're going to want to do is open up any browser you have. So, get out of here. This is my skin. I just made it, so I will show you from the start. So, what you want to do is go to Google or Firefox or whatever browser you use, and then search Skin Dex. And again, if you don't want to search it, it's gonna be in the description. Sorry about my voice. I am just a little sick, so yeah, sorry about that. And so there's two ways you can get to there. Either you can just press this editor, or you can just press the official website, and from there go to editor. And now you can just you can just like draw a bunch of stuff. I will make another video on making a skin and how to make your skin look the best it can look. Uh, so after you just like scribble around and all stuff, you can just scribble around. And now what you're gonna want to do after you're done making your skin, you want to go down here and press download. And when you press download, this will, if you're using Chrome, it'll pop up down here. If you're using Firefox and Microsoft Edge, it'll probably pop up here. But since I'm using Chrome, it popped up here. Clicking it doesn't really do anything. It just shows you the skin. We don't need to look at the skin. So uh, now what you want to do is go to your Minecraft launcher, and up here you will see the skins tab. Go to skins. What you want to do is press plus new skin. Uh, so if you, I forgot a step. So if you want to, if you're a girl and you want the slim skin, if you don't know what that is, it's the skin that Alex uses. As you can see, Alex uses the skin. There are a few problems. Sometimes there might be some rendering issues like this. If you don't do it on a slim skin, uh, it happened when I was making my sister's skin. As you can see, there is the rendering issue because I made it on the classic skin model. So if you're making a girl's skin, what you want to do, go down here, it should say classic, but what you want to do is do slim skin. Then you'll have slim skin. So if you have downloaded it, go to new skin, do slim or whatever you want, just go ahead, choose it. Press browse. It should be right here. It should be in newest download. There you go. You have your skin. I know I didn't do a really good job on describing how to make skin. I will do that in the next video. You can see there's a bunch of black that I did not put there. That I will show you how to do this in the next video. Uh, so yeah, that's how you make a skin in Minecraft. So now what you want to do is just click down here and press save and use. And then when you press play, oh, oh yeah, let me just close that. Close. Hello? Close. Whatever. So, get out of here. And so, when you go into your world, you should have your skin. I know the skin doesn't look very good. Uh, that is completely fine because this is not. I'm not gonna use the skin. I don't know why, but it kind of looks cool to me. Like it kind of looks good. Somehow kind of looks good, even though it's I literally just scribbled. I might use this in Bed Wars. So, there you go. That's how you get a Minecraft skin. Like I said, all the links are in the description. And so, yeah, that's it. That's how you get a Minecraft skin. So, like, subscribe, and Uh, die. Eat. Okay, stop.